Have you ever heard about Cambodian zodiacs like this?
ជូតឆ្លូវខាលថោះរោងមុសាញ់មុំមីមុំម៉ែវោករកាចកល
What does it call?
ឆ្នាំទាំង12
Chnam Tang Dapi to mean 12 years of Cambodian zodiac. In this lesson, you will learn Cambodian zodiacs in Khmer. In Cambodia, based on our culture, we follow Khmer calendar and Buddhist calendar. There are 12 Cambodian zodiacs in a year, which are 12 zodiac animals. Each animal of the year possesses unique characteristics and is believed to influence personality and future of those born under its year. The first Cambodian zodiac is Chnam Chut. Chnam Chut. Chnam to mean year. Chnam Chut. We pronounce it Chnam Chut is year of the rat. Chnam Chut. The second Cambodian zodiac is Chnam Chlou. We pronounce it Chnam Chlou. Chnam Chlou is year of the ox. The next Chnam Khao. Chnam Khao is year of the tiger. Chnam Khao. The next Chnam Thoh. Chnam Thoh is year of the rabbit. Chnam Thoh. The next Chnam Rong. We pronounce it Rong. Chnam Rong is year of the dragon. Chnam Rong. The next Chnam Masang. We pronounce it Masang. Chnam Masang. Chnam Masang is year of the snake. This year is the year of the snake. Chnam Masang. You will see some decorations on the road. They decorate with the snake because this year is the year of the snake. Chnam Masang. The next Chnam Momi. We pronounce it Momi. Chnam Momi is year of the horse. Chnam Momi. The next Chnam Mome. Chnam Mome is year of the goat. The next Chnam Vok. Chnam Vok is year of the monkey. Chnam Vok. The next Chnam Roka. Chnam Roka is year of the rooster. Chnam Roka. The next Cambodian zodiac is Chnam Cho. Chnam Cho is Year of the Dog. The last Cambodian zodiac is Chnam Kol. We pronounce it Kol. Chnam Kol. Chnam Kol is Year of the Pig. Honestly, I was born in the year of the pig, Chnam Kol, in 1995. So Chnam Kol. So when we count the Khmer or Cambodian zodiac, we count like this way. Chut, Chlau, Khal, Tho, Rong, Masang, Momi, Mome, Wok, Roka, Cho, Kol. So we count like that way. Chut, Chlau, Khal, Tho, Rong, Masang, Momi, Mome, Wok, Roka, Cho, Kol. That's it for today. See you in the next lesson.